silence for the failure's sake. The volume's low, but the pressure keeps on rising high. I see the system failing right before my eye. This fear is infectious, spreading in the air. I look around and no one seems to care. Setting goes, yeah, they can't hear me now. Rushing wide, I will not take a bow. I'm breaking out of this zero-sum game, burning down the fear, screaming out my name. The world is fading, just a flicker on the screen, trapped in the memory of what we should have been. I need the violence of the rhythm to cut through the haze, lost in the digital echo of these lonely days.